In this video, we will learn how to express two quantities in ratios. Here you are given two quantities 700 gram and 1.75 kg. You need to express them as ratio. That means you need to find the ratio of 700 gram and 1.75 kg. For writing them in ratio, you must express both of them in same unit. 700 gram 1.75 kg, that means 1.75 multiplied by 1000 gram, that means 700 gram divided by 1750 gram. Now both of them are expressed as same unit, so now we can find their ratio. We can divide both by 5, still we can divide both by 7. We get the answer 2 by 5. That means 700 gram divided by 1.75 kg brings me the answer 2 by 5. 700 gram ratio 1.75 kg equal to 2:5. This is our answer.